I want that noise to anything on the shoulder. I want people to fight right outside. With everybody else gone, all I know it might not be for you. It might be too hard for you. I love that shit. You want to I want you to know.
Trust me, I was down bad, feeling sad, feeling sorry. Now you really gone, and I can't get you to call me. You better run away from this love and from this place. If you was a ghost, I would kiss you anyway. I can't feel my lungs, feeling like I'm out of space. You're the one I love, but you're the one I hate. I can't really see you with anyone else. All these fucking perkies not good for my health.
I finally got my tires. These are 245, 35, 18s, and they're gonna go on the fronts. I already have decent tires on the back, but they're gonna go on the fronts. I'm gonna load them up in here somehow, bring them to my buddy's shop and change them out. And I might have to adjust some of my, camber and shit to make them fit, because those are 225s right now, and I'm jumping up. So that'll be today's maiden voyage. Starts raining. But I'm still gonna get them swapped out. Huge stretch. So that should fix it with the wider tires, and hopefully my little air leak is gone after that. At some point I'm probably gonna try to get wider rears, like some authentic Rocker Bunny rears. These are just fake, so I can cover the back up. That's really it for now. This is one of the 245s on already. I like it. It's pretty beefy. It's like right there. I still have that spacer on there, so I could always take off the spacer and do something a little smaller. But I kind of like it. I might even raise it up a little bit so it's even with the back. Yeah, so we'll see how the other one looks and how it drives. I just hope it doesn't scrape. But if it does, I mean, I'm not too upset. I live maybe 5 minutes away from here, so it's not going to be a crazy ride home. All right, front tires are on. I'm heading back home because it's raining. They feel good. Yeah, they're wicked close to the flares. But I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'll do a walk around real quick. But they actually don't scrape like at all. Even they don't rub, nothing. So I guess I did a good job when I originally shaved the insides of the flares to make clearance for my tires. And I'm running like 7 degrees of camber up front, so not too much to complain about now. Just made it back home. And it does rub a little bit when I like full lock, but that Fitment is fucking tight. It's not, believe it or not, it's touching like a little bit, but not a lot. So I don't know, I might go wider in the back Right now I'm running 245 in the front. That's not touching at all. So I have to shave the other one because I shaved this part, like on the bottom. So I have to shave the other side. The back I'm running 275. Definitely a huge stretch compared to the front. But it's not bad. I don't know. Part of me wants to stop fucking with it and just get some wheels and, you know, have like a square setup. But the other part of me is like, yeah, I kind of like this and I want to keep, you know, adding on to this and improving this. I swapped my 25 millimeter spacer up front. So now I'm running a lot less poke than it was. And I could actually go a lot lower. But I kind of really like this, that setup, how that is. I almost want to rebuild my back wheels a little smaller. These are 6.5 inch lips. And I feel like 5.5 would be perfect. But I don't know. I might just get some upper control arms to camber the back so I can kind of match how the front looks. I don't know. I really don't know. I really like how the 50 up front looks too. So this is with 25 millimeters up front. You can obviously see the gap there. And this is how I had it before, with no gap at all. And I like how aggressive that looks, but I also like how tame the other side looks. I don't know, this kind of looks like a unit, and this side just looks more functional, more dailyable. I mean, I daily my car, so this is kind of what I want. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the other 25 on the other side, just so it sits in a little more. The fitment looks like shit from like this angle. But then again, I really don't know. I don't know. Comment below what you think. Should I leave it with the 25 millimeter spacers, or should I leave it with the 50s? I mean, I already know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. So I'm gonna swap that other one on and kind of leave it as it is. But this will be my front fitment for now. I'm just gonna work with that. I like it. Like I said, I drive this car every day that I can, through whatever I can, rain, snow, whatever. I really don't care that much. I just want it to have fun, you know? So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Next video I do, I'm most likely going to, I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'll come out with another video soon. I definitely need to clean this thing. I need to clean the whole car out. So that's gonna be a process. And that's really it for now. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch that other one, call it a day. And like I said before, I'll take pictures, they'll be on Instagram. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see them. If not, you won't. So yeah.